Quick one here today, guys. Be careful what ball joints you put in your Brute Force 750. This is a 2019 model, and Kawasaki doesn't even list a part number for it. But there's all kinds of websites that tell you there's ones that fit, supposedly. Okay, well, guess what? They might actually fit into that machine, but the two that were replaced on this side of this machine, total failure from putting these new ball joints in. Complete failure. This steering was in a complete bind with the wheels off the ground because of these ball joints. And one way of telling if you've done your ball joints and might have that problem is when I stood here and looked at it with it evenly jacked up, this side of the control arms were not down as far as this side. Okay, that's because that upper ball joint was literally in a bind. This replacement ball joint was in a bind. Okay, and not only was it not dropped down low enough, which made it really hard to put your shock on, it also put the whole steering in a bind. With the tie rod disconnected, you could take two hands to try to grab that spindle and turn it left and right. So the whole problem is these supposedly replacement ball joints. And it's really difficult to look at them side by side and see the difference. But this one here, which they're still in good shape, there's nothing physically wrong with the ball joint. They just don't work with the geometry of this machine. And you may notice they're a little bit longer than the original ones. And what's most important of all of this is this taper. The shape of this stud that's sticking out of here is minutely different on this ball joint. And if you're going to place this ball joint like in your control arm, your original will be nice and solid and fit tight without a nut on it. This one will go in and you'll feel the wobble to it. Slightly different. It's slightly taller and it's slightly different angle to this taper. What supposedly is a replacement ball joint that fits in there and seems like it bolts up is a big total failure. Okay, be careful what you buy. I had the guy buy these all balls replacement ball joints. They all fit perfectly in here. There's absolutely no steering bind with it all in droop. Get your control shock absorber on, no problem. So pay attention to which ones you buy. Sometimes cheaper isn't better. These I know work. I have no idea what brand those are, but they definitely do not. So careful what ball joints you buy.